So I just got home and I got a box. So let's see what's in the box. Hey guys, I just ordered these 3 days ago and did not expect them to get them so soon, but I'm happy they're here. Is she pretty? So let's see what's in the box. Big ass box. Package good, I give it that. What could it be? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What are these? These are nice. That's what these are. These are these taillights by this company called V-Land. And I checked the reviews, and the reviews are actually pretty good on the, because they make taillights for pretty much any car, I think. And I see a lot of, they did a lot for the import cars, and I guess they're just now getting into the Mustangs. So I decided, heck, the investment wasn't bad. I think I paid like $468 on eBay. And for Euro taillights, everybody knows about Euro taillights, and they ain't cheap. And these are just plug and play. These are the smoked versions. They're a little darker, but I kind of wanted the smoked ones anyways. I think if you want the real clear ones, they're a little bit more money. I think they're like 600. Just like straight Euro spec. But let's put these suckers on. All right, I took one out of the foil. As you can see, it looks really good. The quality looks really good. Excuse my little mess there. I usually have this speaker box tucked in here with the amp, so nobody ever sees this, but since I have to remove this cover, I have to push it out of the way. So I've already went ahead and removed the little whatever. All right, I've never removed the taillights from this car or any S550, but I'm gonna assume these two are taillights. And I didn't see anything else, so maybe these are the only two that hold it. So let's see. I think it's a number 10. Anybody wants to know for afterwards. And that was pretty simple. Yeah, you can see there's another one there. And I think that might be it. All right, all the bolts seem awesome. Well, shit, that was simple enough. The plug is actually inside. The plug runs through that hole. And it's right there. So you don't even gotta mess with anything with the light. All right, as you can see, I mean, it's 2 OEM spec. Everything's OEM spec. And the grommet plug looks exactly the same. So, I mean, so far, I like what I see. We'll see what the most important part is when they actually light up. So far, the quality looks really good. And I'm gonna test these. We're gonna see at the end of this video today. We're gonna test these out. See how they hold up to water and everything. Let's put them on. All right, so there it is. So far, I like the look a lot. Fitment is really good. Once I get them tacked down, see how they really fit in there. But yeah, I think it's a much better option than those. I'm really happy with this, and I personally like the 2018 taillight. I got them both on already. Now let's see what they look like. All right, let's look at these brake lights. Huh? So far they're pretty bright. That looks pretty good to me. Really bright. I don't think anybody has anything to worry about with the brightness of them. And these are plug and play, guys. You know, these aren't like the Euro spec. They have to be pinned out and stuff like that. These were exactly plug and play. I do have the dial dynamics sequencers on them, so that's why they sequence with the brake lights. But other than that, they're exactly the same as factory lights. Pretty simple install. Really happy with them. They're DOT approved, so they're legal. Probably more legal than my tinted ones I had before. But I'm happy with it. We'll see about 6 months from now how I like them. But so far I did. These are nice. These are very nice. Alright. Let's do another test. Heck, if we're gonna test them, let's test them right. See, make sure these things don't got no water in them. I want to make sure these things are good. Don't got no water in them, no condensation. Let's do it right? They come with a 1-year warranty, but you know how it is. So far, looks good to me. Let's wipe them off. Is there any condensation or anything in them? So far, it looks good to me. I mean, I don't see a ton of rain in this car, but I'll be keeping an eye out and make sure. But so far, it looks pretty sealed, pretty good to me. Let's do this side. Oh man, I'm liking these. These are nice. These are really nice. For 400 and what was it, 68 bucks, compared to going out and buying some real Euros. Even used, you ain't even gonna find used Euros for 400 bucks. And if you do, run and go get them. So for 468 bucks, you can see, looks crystal clear. Like I said, 460 bucks. I think it's a great deal. Now 6 months from now, I'll let you know how they're holding up. But you know how people are. Oh, it's eBay. eBay's junk. I don't know. If you're a real car guy, you search eBay. Because you might be able to, you will find junk on eBay. But you also find sometimes you find some really good stuff on eBay. You'd be surprised. I usually just search everything. eBay, Amazon, then I start LMR, CJ, then American Muscle. That's how I do it. Yeah. Me like a lot. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helps. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed getting them. I enjoyed swapping them out. It's a real simple swap. This is something that anybody could do. You do not need to take this to a shop. It's literally, it was 3 nuts and they pop right out. So I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there that don't turn one screw on their cars, but here at All Stanks Channel, we work on our own shit. That's just the way we do things. So I hope you enjoyed this video again, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I'll answer any questions. I'm gonna post a link to these lights on the video description. So if anybody wants them, it'll be right there. And so far, I'm happy with my purchase. I'll do a review here in about 6 months, see how they're holding up, and let you guys know. All right, guys, Thanks for watching.